Hi, it's Jen with Cherry Tree Beads, and today we're going to make this fairy and prism ornament kit. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is attach this prism to the bottom of our fairy component. So we're going to do that using a jump ring. So you can see where that opens right there. We're just going to put a pair of pliers on either side, and we're just going to gently twist this jump ring open. And then once it's open, we can attach the prism, and then we can attach the component. And then we're just going to put our pliers back on either side, and we're just going to gently twist that back into place until it lines up perfectly. And then we're going to attach our jute at the top. We're just going to string that through. And then I'm just going to find the center of that, and we're going to tie a knot down here at the bottom. And then we're going to tie a knot up here at the top. And then your ornament is ready to hang. This kit can be found at cherrytreebeads.com. Thanks so much for watching.